Good morning, patchworkers, quilters and fellow fabric lovers. Here we are today. I'm at the Dapto Anglican Church and we're actually having a lovely quilt show. I've got my stand set up, as you can see, and I'm just going to do a little quick walk around and show you what's in here. And look at all these quilts. This is amazing. They've got all these lovely quilts down here. We've got a lovely little craft stall in here, and they've got all the quilts. There's also lots of other little sites and little stalls here. We've got lots of fabrics. We've got the op shop that have put up in here from Dapto with all the beautiful crystals. Hang on, let me see if I can get them on there. There we go. Little crystals and everything. Just do a little video. We're going to put it on my Facebook page. You don't want, that's okay. Here we go. We got lots of fabrics. That's right, you got in. You get used to that. And this is amazing. Look at all these lovely quilts all over the chairs. So that's just part of it. You can come down and have a look through here. Let's go up through this stall and I'm going to see what's out here. We've got some more fabrics and different things for everyone with their patchwork and quilting for the quilt show. And we've got out here lots of Christmas things. Christmas isn't far away, so we've got lots of Christmas things in here. Okay, so we've got the Christmas ones. We've got over this side, we've got lovely cakes and jams and everything. And then we're going to come through here and we've got the plants. Plants are always useful around here, aren't they? Hello, good morning. Good. So we've got lots of plants up in the plant stall, and then you can come through and you can come through here and you've got the quilt display. So you've got lovely quilts all on display through here. You've got a ward when you can't touch them, as we know, but you've got some lovely quilts all on display. Look at these are amazing. Look at this one. Lovely quilts. We're going to go through, oh look at all the little crochet blankets here. We've got little crochet blankets, all hand stitchery, tapestries, anything to do with fine art and working with your hands and everything. Lovely kids quilts. We've got lots and lots in here. How cool are these? That looks like my escalator one, by the way, that pattern I do. And we're going to go through here. I'm just walking backwards so that you can see some of these quilts. And they're lovely. What the ladies have done here, it looks amazing. So let's go through with all of the lovely quilt display. So you can come down to the Dapto Anglican Church and you can see us all here and have a lovely day. It's on for today and tomorrow from 10 till 3. And you'll be able to see us all here. So I'm just walking back down through. I'm going to be doing some workshops here as well. So you have a workshop, you've got the cafe and everything in here. So here we are, back down near the front door, and we've got all my fabrics and that through here. Plus, as I said, I'll be running the great free workshops. So come and see us at the Dapto Anglican Church. Okay, from 10 till 3 today and tomorrow, and enjoy. Happy sewing.